Welcome to Chikki, and today let's make dry fruits dessert with ginger flavor. Nutritious and very healthy, easy to make. Here I have taken dry fruits, chopped them roughly into pieces, almonds, walnuts, all good things, cashews and pumpkin seeds, and you can take dry fruits of your choice. I'm going to roast on a low flame for about 5 to 7 minutes, and all the dry fruits take a little bit of different timing. So what you can do is you can try tasting them. I always taste it if it's crunchy and that aroma is released, and make sure you keep on stirring, otherwise they'll get burnt. So it's crunchy, done. I'm going to take it out in a plate just because I'm using the same pan. Less dishes to wash. Jaggery, add a little bit of water, and this is vegan dessert, and we are going to melt the jaggery, and I try to keep the flame medium first and then make it low later on. So melt the jaggery. Now here we have to check the consistency of the jaggery. Jaggery is also healthy, it has iron, so this is very healthy dessert. Instead of chocolate or candy, you can give this dry ginger powder. It's very good in the winter season, rainy season, and you can, this is optional, dry ginger powder, but in winter season I try to add dry ginger powder. Cardamom powder, this will give a nice flavor, both this dry ginger and cardamom, and keep on stirring it. It takes about 7 to 8 minutes, and now we are going to check the consistency. Put few drops of this jaggery mixture in the cold water, and if it forms like balls, if it comes together, that means it's done. And if you want a little bit harder kind of candy in this, then you have to keep it a little bit for more time. Now add roasted dry fruits. They become hard very easily, so once it forms like a ball, it's done. Mix well, put off the gas stove because then it will become very hard. So this pan is a little bit hot, so put off the flame right away. Mix it well, and I have kept butter paper ready, greased butter paper. So this gives a nice flavor of jaggery and dry fruits and dry ginger powder, and very healthy. All the ingredients we have added here are very nutritious, so there is nothing which is not good for health. Everything is superb. So pour on a greased butter paper or a plate, whatever you are comfortable. And now what I'm going to do is spread it a little bit, and this you have to be very quick because it becomes hard very easily. I'm going to put another greased butter paper on this, and take a rolling pin and roll it very slightly, because if the pieces are very big you won't be able to roll it. So you cannot just flatten it with your hand also, whichever way, but do it very quickly. And I'm going to mark this when warm, and once it's cold I'm going to separate it out. And this can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for more than 2 weeks, but it won't last long. So tasty. So once cooled down, ready to serve, good for kids also, toddlers, adults, everybody, healthy and sweet and delicious. Do try this, and please subscribe Chikki for more videos.